YouTube? A little quick unboxing real quick. Just got this today. It's my oil pan gasket. It's from Magnum Automotive Group. As you can see here, it's for the Ford, any Ford car with the Vulcan V6 from 2002 to 2007. That also includes the Ranger and the Mazda B2000 with the Vulcan V6 from 2002 to 2008. And that's the stock number. I'm just going to do a quick opening up, unbox this thing and see what it looks like. Okay. There's instructions. And what I like about this is it's not like the Chevys where it has the separate piece right here and you have to put a little silicone on each end that is prone to leaks. This is one piece unit all the way across. Has a metal core in it. So it'll hold its shape and it'll seal, and it has the little metal washers right here which helps seats it with the oil pan with the little knobs. Okay, that's it for this one. Hopefully the next video will be next week. I'm looking at getting some fuel injectors. I'll need to get some bigger ones than the factory ones that I got on the car. Until next week, I'll see you then.